So overall, if I can say, ThinkNext has given me a great exposure, and it has helped me widen my horizons. So if I have to tell a one-liner, it is a place where you can earn, learn, and grow.
Yeah, overall experience, it was around 9 months for me. It's like 6 months it was completely training. We have gone through from end to end training, even a lot more other stuffs also, like retail banking and all those. Banking domain was focused here, and after that, coming after 6 months, you will be assessed and you will be putting in a project where you are fit for, like where you suits more.
My overall experience is being actually it is very good. My technical knowledge is being very low before ThinkNext. Because of interaction with the senior employees and trainers, it helped me to learn more and achieve more.
I believe I speak for everyone from my batch when I say that phase 1 training has helped us get a stronger grip on the foundational topics, which has resulted in us looking forward towards the upcoming phase training. It's been just a week that our phase 2 training has started, and we have been introduced to advanced Java concepts. It's been taken by external vendors and it is going pretty well.
Overall experience with ThinkNext has been very great. Our mentors and our coordinators had been very helpful with us, and I think I'm able to push myself better in my learning goals because I know I'm supported all the time.